So hello all, welcome back to Pabli, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot for your own business. But before we move on further and see how this chatbot is created, let's see the proper working of this chatbot. So let's say I'm going to type my question on WhatsApp and I'm going to send this question which says, "Hi, I'm interested in Bali package. Can you share the details?" So I've asked about the Bali package details, and within seconds and in real time this chatbot has shared the same. You can see it has shared the nights, the days and the price too. Let's ask another question. So I'm just going to type my question and send it. So I asked that what's the booking process. So within seconds and in real time this chatbot is also going to share me the booking process. As you can see that it has shared successfully. Let's ask another question. So I'm just going to type my question once again and send this, which says what are the cheapest dates to travel, and this chatbot is going to answer this question also within seconds and in real time. So if you also want to create a similar WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end and follow me through the screen. So now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the AI assistant of Pabli Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabli Chatflow. From the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabli Chatflow. Now click on the sign up for free in the top right corner, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabli Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabli Chatflow, come on the dashboard, then from the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant and open this AI assistant window. But before you create this AI assistant, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabli Chatflow. So over here, if you wish to learn how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabli Chatflow, video tutorial dedicated to it, the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Now once you come on this window, first of all it is going to ask you for the AI instructions. So over here you can select the instructions. If you wish, you can definitely select it as custom prompt and give a custom prompt unique to your business. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent and so on. So you can select any one from this also, and the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points, but if you don't wish, you can keep it as exactly the same and move on further like I am doing. Now the next is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now for the AI to use, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, we're going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now for the API key, open your OpenAI API key page. The hyperlink is given in the description. Simply click on this and your OpenAI API key page will open. So then go on this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy this key and paste it right over here in this API key section and click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, yes, you can see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So you can move on further. The next is this assistant settings. You can set the header and the footer message. You simply have to switch on this toggle button and type your message like this. The maximum characters are 60 for header and footer both. The next is the stop keywords. You can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. In order to add the keyword, simply type the keyword and press enter to add the keyword. So let's say your user typed this keyword, which is stop. Then what is going to happen is the AI assistant is not going to reply to that chat further. The AI assistant is going to stop right there only, and a manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. So you can add multiple keywords. I've added to stop and human. Now next which we have is this retry attempts. So you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10, so I'm going to keep it as 3 right over here. Now we have this fallback message. So over here you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address over here in this message. So let's say user has some emergency, so they can contact you on Gmail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. correctly. With this, you have completed the instructions. Now let's move towards this knowledge source. So over here, I showed you in the starting of this video that the WhatsApp chatbot was answering so accurately and related to my business only. So you must be wondering how. So I've created a knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only, my WhatsApp chatbot is replying me, be it sharing the prices, inclusion, duration, or anything else. So you also have to create a knowledge source like this in order to create an AI chatbot particularly for your business. So how you can create this knowledge source? For that, open a blank Google document, and in that blank Google document, enter the knowledge unique to your business. Once you enter the knowledge unique to your business, you have to go to this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDF are supported. I'll just download this in TXT because TXT is preferred, but for PDF we don't have any page limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. That's why I'll suggest you go for TXT only. Now after you download the file, click on this choose a file, then go to this download section from the left hand of the site and upload the file like this. Once you upload this file and the uploading is completed, you will receive this vector ID, which is the proof of this successful uploading. After doing this, go towards this assistant interface. Now it is asking me for the heading name. So what you can do is you can add your brand's name over here as the heading. So this is the name of my brand, so I'm just going to add this as the heading right over here. So I'm just going to simply add it. Now you're going to see once we edit it right over here, it will be edited over here on the right hand of the site too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish to change it, you can definitely edit it like this. Now we have this initial message, so you can add up to 2 initial message. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it like this. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly labels. If you wish to display this, keep it as enabled, otherwise disable it right from here. Now we have this footer text, so you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Once you add the footer link, the text is converted into the link, but if you don't add the footer link, it will remain as a plain text. So you can edit this link according to your own company's privacy policy. Now it is saying user first message, so over here you have to enter the message that will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. After entering this, let's move on further towards the next, which is the styling. So you can style your AI chatbot over here. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and the pictures. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. I'm just going to keep it as this only. Now after we style this, WhatsApp chatbot is ready. Now simply switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant, and your AI assistant is ready to run. But how can we run it? For that, go to this embedded and you're going to get this script. So add this script on your website and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever user opens your website, clicks on the start chat with us button and then start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp. And this is the initial message you selected right over here will be sent from your user towards you on WhatsApp. And what is going to happen is the AI assistant is going to reply them further. So yes, after this, if you wish, you can definitely assign this AI assistant to particular contacts. For that, you have to open inbox section in the new tab from the left hand of the site, and let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this contact. So go to this choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant like this. Now whenever this contact is going to message me, this chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, go to the settings and then inbox settings, scroll and enable this AI auto replies. Now you have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who's going to reply to all the contacts in this list, and click on this save and your settings will be saved. Further, if you wish to learn how to create contact list, go in this contact section and you can create contact list from this section. If you wish to learn in detail how to create contact list or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these features is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot. So go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.